Good morning, student. Today we are going to see 9th standard geography lesson number 4 Hydrosphere. Okay. Before go to this topic, we want to know the introduction of the lesson. First, introduction of the lesson. We know that Earth is one of the important planets. In the solar system has many planets, but among them Earth is one of the unique planets because in this Earth only has more water, there is plenty of water, soil, minerals, and survival of all animals, including microorganisms and human beings and animals. So that Earth is called as one of the unique planet in the solar system. And the Earth can see 4 spheres like lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. You know what is that? Earth is considered what is that? It has considered 4 spheres. Lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. Hydrosphere means water. Then atmosphere means air. Biosphere means everything together in biosphere. That is Earth considered. So, how many spheres are there? Nearly 4 spheres in the Earth. Earth is called as blue planet sometimes. Okay. But in the previous lesson, we were discussed about atmosphere and lithosphere. But in this lesson, we are going to see about hydrosphere and biosphere. So, this is introduction of the lesson. The lesson we are introduction Earth as one of the unique planet in the solar system. One of the pole. Bhumi is one of the pole. It has 4 spheres. Already said. Once again remember now. 4 spheres on the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. You know that. So in the previous chapter we have discussed already some of the spheres like lithosphere, atmosphere. But in this topic, in this lesson, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about hydrosphere and atmosphere. Okay? Now, let's come to the next topic. Another important topic of the lesson, hydrosphere. What is the meaning of the hydrosphere? You know that? That means one of the most indispensable natural resources of the earth. பூமியில தவிர்க்க முடியாத indispensable means what? இன்றியமையாத essential சொல்லக்கூடிய தவிர்க்க முடியாத ஒரு natural resources இயற்கை வளங்கள் என்ன? Water. What is that? Water is one of the natural resources. It is very, very essential for human being as well as the animal and the plants and birds and etc. So that the water is one of the essential one of our day-to-day life. நம்ம அன்றாட வாழ்க்கைக்கு தண்ணீர் மிக முக்கியமான அவசியமான ஒன்று. இட்ஸ் இன்டிஸ்பென்சபிள் ஒன்று. அதை என்ன சொல்ற தவிர்க்க முடியாது சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? இன்றியமையாத ஒன்று அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியதான் the natural resources. What is the natural resources? We have a lot of natural resources. நிறைய இயற்கை வளங்கள் இருக்கு. But among them, water is one of the natural resources. It's the essential one. Without water, never survive. 1 or 2 days only you can survive on the surface. But after the 3 days back, you will never survive on the surface. Why? Without water. So the water is one of the natural resources. And Earth we call it as blue planet. Why? Yeah, the movie blue planet. Because the Earth has plenty of water. So that the Earth is called as blue planet. What is that? Blue planet. When we compare with other planet, the Earth only has plenty of water. But the Earth only has plenty of water. For that reason, the Earth we call this a blue planet. Okay? Hydrosphere consists of water in different form. What is that? Various form. Hydrosphere பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தண்ணி எல்லா ஃபார்ம்லயும் இருக்கு. Like what are the forms? You know that liquid liquid form, solid form and gaseous form. Liquid form now rice form. That is the liquid form. Sorry, solid form. Other than melting area. Other liquid form. The same water evaporate. That is the what is that? Third form. The evaporation vapor. Okay. So hydrosphere consists water in different forms. Okay. On the earth surface, 97% of water. Nearly 97% on the earth surface of water. Remaining 3% of land. 3% land as a glacier, ice cap, rivers, lake, ponds, etc. So this is the amount of the water on the earth surface. The பூமிக்குள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய தண்ணியுடைய அளவு 97% water, remaining 3% land. So அது எந்த land and what are the forms? Another form இருக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா glacier form, ice cap, river, lake, pond, etc. Okay, so that's all about the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means on the earth's surface. It is the essential our in everyday life resources mean water is one of the best natural resources, and the earth is called as a blue planet. Earth is blue planet because due to the abundant plenty of water in the earth. When we compare with the other planets we compare with pathina, earth there plenty of water, so that we call this a blue planet. Okay, and hydrosphere consider the water in variety of forms like 3 levels: liquid, solid and gases. Okay, so how many percentage of water on the earth surface and how many percentage of land in the earth surface, everything discussed in this topic. So introduction over, then hydrosphere over. Next we are going to another important topic, hydrological cycle. What is that? Hydrological cycle. What do you mean by means reaction? So only in Tamil means hydrological cycle. You know that earth water not static one. Static means not a permanent one. நிலையான இல்லை. Earth water பார்த்தா நிலையானது இல்லை. It is all a motion means it's moving. What is that? Water. That means hydrogen means water here. So the earth water is not static. It always moving. Okay. So what do you mean by hydrological cycle? The continuous movement of the water on a surface above or below. Continuous movement of the water. தண்ணியுடைய movement எப்படி இருக்கு? அந்த earth surface above or below or அதான் நாம என்ன சொல்றோம்? We call as hydrological cycle. What do you mean by the hydrological cycle? Hydrological cycle என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா the continuous movement of the water on a surface above or below. மேலோ அல்லது கீழேயோ தண்ணியுடைய அசைவு தொடர்ச்சியாக நடைபெறும் அசைவை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? We call as hydrological cycle. The water's hydrological cycle has three process. மூன்று process. It involves 3 process. Hydrological cycle மூன்று process நடக்கும். What are the 3 process involved in the hydrological cycle? Another process na? The first one, evaporation. One of the process of hydrological cycle. Second one, condensation. Another process of hydrological cycle. And third one, precipitation. This is a third process of hydrological cycle. So the hydrological cycle has 3 processes. It involves 3 processes. What are the 3 processes of the hydrological cycle? Evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So this is the 3 processes of the hydrological cycle. Next, another information. The water changes its forms. That is always form it changes its form like ice, water and water vapor. இது எப்படின்னா தண்ணியா இருக்கும், ஐஸா இருக்கும், then water vapor. So the water change its form. It's not happening suddenly. it was happened, this process happened in over many million years ago. பல நூற்றாண்டுகளுக்கு மேல இந்த process நடந்தது தவிர it not suddenly occurs. This process not suddenly திடீர்னு நடக்கல. இது பல நூற்றாண்டுகளுக்கு மேல millions ஆண்டுகள் over the millions years ago this process happened. Okay, so this is what a hydrological cycle. The water resources of the earth divided into two categories. அந்த பூமியில இருக்கக்கூடிய தண்ணிய resources we are divided into two categories. One is the fresh water, another one is the salt water. What is that? One is the fresh water, another one is the salt water. So this is the information about the hydrological cycle. What is that? Hydrological cycle means what? You know that water is not static one. Static means what? Not permanent one, not stagnant one. It's moved one place to another place. Always it's moving. Okay? What do you mean by hydrological cycle? Means the continuous movement of the water on the surface of above or below. We call this hydrological cycle. Hydrological cycle என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா நீர் சுழற்சி என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா நீரானது பூமியினுடைய மேற்பரப்பிலோ அல்லது கீழ்ப்பரப்பிலோ தொடர்ந்து மூவ் ஆகி அசைந்து கொண்டே இருந்தால் அதுதான் என்ன சொல்றேன் நீர் சுழற்சி. that means hydrological cycle. What we call a hydrological cycle. The hydrological cycle involved in three processes. What are the three processes? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Okay, and the water change its own form. Sometimes it look like a ice form, sometimes look like a water form, and sometimes look like a water vapor. This process not suddenly occurs. It many million years occurs. And then finally, the water resources of the earth divided into two categories. Already told you what's the remember now. One is the fresh water, another one is the salt water. That's all about the hydrological cycle. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Now, one of the resources of the water, fresh water. What is that? Fresh water. Actually, which is the purest form of the water? Rainwater is we consider purest form of the water. மழை நீர் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் உண்மையான தண்ணி அது தூய்மையான தண்ணி அப்படி சொல்லுவோம். Because less salt than oceans. இதுதான் sea ocean விட கம்மியான உப்பளவு இருக்குது. So that rainwater we consider what? Purest form of water. Okay, so it is called the fresh water. Major part of the fresh water found இங்க அதிகமான இந்த fresh water எங்க கிடைக்குதுன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா ice cap, glaciers. That is the ice cap and the glacier. 1% of found liquid state as the river. அது 1% இருக்கும் liquid condition இருக்கும் as a river இருக்கும் stream, lake and pond etc. Okay, next what do you mean by groundwater? Groundwater என்னன்னா water penetrate through the rocks. அது பாறையில அந்த தண்ணி ஊடுருவி porous rock போயிட்டு ஊடுருவி and collected under the பூமிக்கு அடியில் தேங்கினா we call this water groundwater. Last important topic, ocean. What do you mean by ocean? Ocean என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா ocean the continent இருக்கிற பூமியில இருக்கக்கூடிய continent ocean not even ஒரே சமமா இருக்கிற கடலா இருந்தது கண்டங்களா இருந்தது not even one. சரி இங்க southern hemisphere ல இருந்தால as well as the northern hemisphere ல இருந்தால continent and the ocean are same one. Northern hemisphere holds 61% of land. Northern hemisphere ல 60% நிலம் இருக்கும் and southern hemisphere ல 81% water இருக்கும். So that northern hemisphere called as land hemisphere னு சொல்றாங்க. southern hemisphere னு சொல்றாங்க water hemisphere னு சொல்றாங்க. So இதுதான் இல்லாம oceanல இது main ocean is we call the resources of the bowl னு சொல்றோம். ஏன் கேட்டா because the ocean and continents sea provide lot of food and mineral etc. So that the ocean we called as resources of bowl. So in the topic la enna pathom oceans pathom fresh water pathom hydrogen pathom remaining topic next video la paapam. Thank you.